Shen Zhen Junson Security Technology Company specializes in the research and development, production, and sales of security products. Our main products include This is the boss of Junson Security.
Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy. We come to our customers to providing high quality and reliable security products and solutions to our customers. Welcome to our factory.
Let's go and see it. Products have passed the National Mandatory Product Certification and ISO Quality Management System Certification, ensuring the quality and the reliability of our products.
We have a high-quality R&D team and a sound research and development system, constantly launch new products and technologies to meet market and customer needs.
Junson Security owns the professional customer service team to provide perfect pre-sale, mid-sale, and after-sale service. We offer 12 hours quick pre-sales response and free consulting. We promise quickly delivery within 3 to 10 working days.
Let's have a look of our product factory. There are coiling copper workshop, grinding workshop, cutting workshop, sealing lock workshop. With highly requirement for combined size, we ask workmen to recheck the size of it during the processing the parts, in order to make sure the highly smooth of lock and armature plate. We have strict operation process and speed requirements for the grinding processing. Hole detection of working condition before final assemble and final packing. Our EM locks are all up to real holding force. Electromagnetic lock are our most popular product. We have various type of lock. Holding force including 60 kg, 180 kg, 280 kg, 350 kg, and 500 kg, available for any kind of door. Our electromagnetic lock made from the copper and anodic aluminum materials. Make sure holding force achieve real kilogram as mentioned. All our products have passed CE, RoHS, REACH, and FCC certifications, according with UL safety certification.
Electric bolt lock series are another type of lock to work on access control system too. They are buried into the door frame. Hidden installation to make sure door is completed, beauty, and safety. These are our smart locks, which are used in household appliances. The types of unlocking include fingerprint recognition, face recognition, and mobile phone control. We have many models to meet your different requirements. We adhere to the service concept of quality first, customer first, and have won the support and trust of our customers with high-quality products and software services.
We'll continue to improve our product quality and service level and provide customers with the best security products and service. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.